Hello, welcome back to the tvONE Training Academy studio. In this video we're going to be having a look at what you get in the box with our new distribution series. It's a Magenta product. There are 3 products in the range. There's a 2-port splitter, a 4-port and 8-port DA, and they all work in 4K 60, 444 colour space. You can see from the units I've got the 8-port up here, and we're going to plug this in and use it with different sources in future videos. Below I have the 2-port and the 4-port version. Look very similar. What you get in the box, so you get the unit, of course. You also get some paperwork, so you get the warranty. So this is a Magenta by tvONE product, and so it comes with a 5-year warranty, class leading. That contains all the information. Also comes with a manual. The manual contains all the information you need to know on setting up the unit. It comes with some really useful information. You see here, for example, this is the dip switch information. So on the devices below me, I have dip switches on the front to select EDID settings. On this, the 8-port device there on the rear. Comes with a power supply unit. The 8-port comes with a 12-volt power supply unit with a screw-in connector on the rear. The 2 smaller devices, so the 2-port splitter and the 4-port distribution amplifier, come with a 5-volt power supply. So to bear in mind if you're mixing and matching. Come with ears. They allow you to mount the unit either on a wall or underneath the surface, and maybe you're going to put them behind a screen or a set of screens, or maybe you're just going to cable tie it into the rack. Some rubber feet to go underneath, so it comes with 4 rubber feet. So that's what you get in the box. Come back and watch future videos where I'll be showing you different sources and screens plugged into this unit, including 1080p 4K sources with and without HDCP. I'll also be showing you the downscaling capability of this unit, which is really very exciting. But for now, from the tvONE Training Academy studio, thanks for watching. See you in a future video. Bye bye.